The second light stays on, then a third. Captain Pearson makes a call. They'll divert to Winnipeg. They're 120 miles away, close enough, he hopes. But then it happens. The left engine coughs, sputters, and dies. Moments later, the right engine fades out. At 26,000 feet, both engines have failed. The world's newest airliner has just become the world's heaviest glider. Air Canada Flight 143 is now gliding. No thrust, no hydraulics, no electrical power. And they're still 75 miles from the nearest major airport. Inside the cabin, flight attendants fight to keep passengers calm. Parents clutch their children. Some begin to write notes to loved ones. Down in air traffic control, the radar operator watches the plane's signal vanish. With both engines gone, the transponder shuts off. To radar, Flight 143 no longer exists. They are ghosts in the sky,